Python Developer Roadmap. 0 to Job Ready. Why Python is popular. Simple, powerful, versatile, used in web AI automation. What Python developers do: build applications, automate tasks, work with data. Step 1. Learn Python basics, syntax, loops, functions. Oops. Step 2. Choose your path: web, right pointing arrow; Django, Flask; data, right pointing arrow; pandas; automation, right pointing arrow; scripting. Step 3. Build projects, web app automation, scripts, data analysis. Step 4. Learn databases, SQL database integration. Step 5. Learn APIs, build REST APIs, connect services. Step 6. Advanced skills, error handling, optimization, testing. Step 7. Deploy projects. Use cloud platforms like Amazon Web Services. What companies expect: clean code, problem solving, real projects. Common mistakes: only learning syntax, no projects, no specialization. The timeline 3 to 6 months with practice. Career path: Python developer, right pointing arrow; backend AI roles, right pointing arrow; senior engineer. The final take: Python opens multiple paths. Your direction defines your career. Snake rocket.